Hello, my name is Eldrick Jane Aguado, and I'm about to create a conversion from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let's get started. First, we're gonna create the project, and then click blank VI, and then here in the VI, we're gonna right click, put numeric, and then vertical pointer slider, so we can change the value, and then right click again, and choose thermometer. There you go. So as you can see, the ones we put here in the front panel can also be seen here in the black diagram. So now we're gonna change the name of this one to temperature degree Celsius, and then here temperature Fahrenheit, because we want our output to be Fahrenheit. Formula in converting Celsius to Fahrenheit is degree Celsius times 1.8 plus 32. So now we're gonna put numeric constants 1.8 and another numeric constant 32. So now we're gonna add operators like multiply and addition, and now we're gonna connect it. Now we're gonna add numeric indicators in the Celsius and in the Fahrenheit. As you can see, it also appears over here in the black diagram. So now we need to connect it. As we can see, the numeric value is only up to 10, so we can change it over here, the properties, then scale, set the maximum to 200. We can set it anywhere we want. Now we're gonna run the VI to see if it's working. As you can see, if it's 67.3469, the value is 153.224. To see to see this clearly, we can also change the maximum of this Fahrenheit until like 300 to see the changes. Now we're gonna add some graphs. We're gonna add the waveform chart over here. As you can see, it also appears over here in the black diagram. So now we need to connect it. And then let's see if it's working. So here, run continuously, and then we can see the changes. But it's too fast, right? In order to see a graph of data, we have to have a data set of any type over some period of time. So now we're gonna do this by inputting a for loop. We can create a for loop by right clicking, then structures, and then for loop. Here. We can also add some timing over here and wait to, let's say, 100 milliseconds. We also need to connect it. Put 100 milliseconds of wait time. So now we're gonna add some graph and waveform graph over here. And as you can see, it also appears over here in the black diagram. So now we need to connect it. To connect it, we have to connect it on the uh, corner, on the sides, and then connect it over the output. And now we will run the program again to see if it's working. As we can see, the waveform chart became slower. Here. And after some time, 100 milliseconds, we can see the waveform graph over here. That's all. Thank you.